The Lancelot A3 M1630 Pro DTF printer delivers sharp, saturated prints at high resolution, giving professional results on garments and accessories without demanding constant tweaking. Its Epson XP600 printhead and tuned DTF setup offer noticeably faster output than older converted models, which really helps when you have a queue of custom shirts or hats to finish. An integrated white ink circulation system keeps the most troublesome ink channel moving, so you spend less time fighting clogs and more time actually printing usable transfers. The automatic film cutting feature cleanly trims each transfer sheet for you, speeding up production and keeping edges consistent compared with manual cutting. Built-in self-maintenance routines, including an extended idle or holiday mode, protect the printhead during downtime so the printer is ready to work when you power it back on. Because it is a direct-to-film system, it bonds well to cotton, polyester, blends, leather, and even some rigid surfaces, giving small shops a very flexible way to produce durable, scratch-resistant designs.